Alright, picture this. You're sitting at your desk, maybe sipping on some chai, and you start to wonder, what could possibly connect the world of hardcore gamers and the brainy folks building artificial intelligence? At first glance, it seems like these two groups live in totally different universes. One is all about epic boss battles, lightning-fast reflexes, and jaw-dropping graphics, while the other is busy teaching computers to recognize cats, write poetry, or even drive cars. But dig a little deeper and you'll find a surprising common thread running between them. So, what do gamers and AI nerds have in common? Is it their love for late-night snacks? Their ability to survive on caffeine and memes? Or maybe their shared talent for getting lost in digital worlds, whether that's a fantasy realm or a sea of code? I'll give you a hint. It's not their sleep schedules. Both groups are notorious for pulling all-nighters. But that's not the real connection here. The real secret? It's their not-so-secret crush on GPUs. Yes, those chunky, high-tech cards that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. The ones you see people unboxing with trembling hands and wide eyes, as if they've just found buried treasure. These are the gadgets that spark bidding wars online and make techies everywhere drool. For gamers, the GPU is the heart and soul of their setup. It's the difference between a game that looks like a slideshow and one that feels like you've stepped into another universe. It's the reason they spend hours researching specs, comparing benchmarks, and watching unboxing videos at 2 a.m. Now let's keep it simple. Gamers drool over GPUs because it's like having rocket fuel for graphics. The more powerful your GPU, the more immersive your gaming experience becomes. It's what lets you crank up the settings, turn on all the fancy effects, and still get buttery smooth gameplay. Smooth frame rates, real-time ray tracing, buttery visuals, you get the drift. Imagine playing your favorite game and seeing every reflection, every shadow, every tiny detail rendered in real time. That's the magic of a good GPU. It's like having a backstage pass to the best visuals technology can offer. For gamers, a good GPU is like a magic wand. Or let's be honest, like that secret masala in your mom's biryani. Without it, everything just feels a little bland. It's the ingredient that takes your gaming from meh to mind-blowing. But here's where things get interesting. The story doesn't end with gamers. Enter the world of artificial intelligence, where GPUs are just as coveted, maybe even more so. You see, AI researchers and engineers are on a quest to make machines smarter, faster, and more capable. And to do that, they need to process mountains of data at lightning speed. But wait, here's the plot twist. AI also loves GPUs. In fact, the rise of modern AI wouldn't have been possible without them. Training a neural network to recognize faces, translate languages, or generate art requires a mind-boggling amount of calculations. CPUs just can't keep up. Why? Because AI needs to crunch insane amounts of data, super fast. We're talking about millions, sometimes billions, of tiny calculations happening every second. It's like trying to solve 1,000 Rubik's Cubes at once, and only a GPU has enough hands to do it. And GPUs, thanks to their hundreds or even thousands of tiny cores, can multitask like your neighborhood auntie handling 10 WhatsApp groups at once. Each core can work on a different piece of the puzzle, making the whole process way faster than a regular CPU could ever dream of. Training an AI without a GPU? That's like watching a cricket match on dial-up internet. Why torture yourself? You'd be waiting for hours, days, maybe even weeks for results that a GPU could deliver in a fraction of the time. And here's where the worlds of gaming and AI collide in the most unexpected way. Every time you're online trying to upgrade your gaming rig, there's probably some AI researcher halfway across the world clicking Add to Cart on the exact same GPU. It's a digital tug-of-war, and only the fastest fingers win. So here's the funny part. Every time you're trying to upgrade your gaming rig, there's probably some AI researcher stealing your GPU right out of the cart. It's not just you versus other gamers anymore. It's you versus the entire AI community. That's right. Gamers and AI both fighting for the same love. It's like a techie love triangle, with the GPU at the center, being wooed by both sides. Who knew a piece of silicon could inspire so much passion and so many memes? So, if you've ever wondered why GPUs are always out of stock, now you know. It's not just gamers hoarding them for the next big release, it's also AI researchers, data scientists, and even crypto miners, all vying for the same precious hardware. If you found this love triangle spicy, smash that subscribe button. I promise, there's plenty more tech drama, geeky deep dives, and fun analogies where this came from. I'm aiming for 500 subscribers, and your click makes my GPU-loving heart do a happy dance. Seriously, every new subscriber is like finding an extra GPU in stock, rare, exciting, and totally worth celebrating. Comment below, are you Team Gamer, always chasing the next high score and the smoothest graphics? Or are you Team AI, building the future one neural net at a time? Maybe you're both. Let's settle this once and for all in the comments. Break time. And remember, whether you're chasing high scores or neural nets, your GPU's always got your back. So next time you see one, give it a little nod of respect. It's the unsung hero powering both your epic wins and the next big AI breakthrough. Now that we know why both gamers and AI researchers are absolutely obsessed with GPUs, let's dig a little deeper. Why are these powerful cards so essential, and what's next for the world of GPUs? First, let's talk about what makes a GPU tick. Unlike your regular CPU, which is like a hard-working single chef in a kitchen, a GPU is like an entire team of expert cooks, each handling a different part of the meal at the same time. This parallel processing is what makes GPUs unbeatable for handling those massive, complex tasks, whether that's rendering a hyper-realistic sunset in your favorite open-world game or training a neural network to spot fake news. But GPUs aren't just sitting still. In the past few years, we've seen some crazy advancements. Graphics cards now come loaded with dedicated AI cores, ray tracing capabilities, and advanced cooling systems that look more sci-fi than your average air conditioner. For gamers, this means you get lifelike reflections, shadows, and even smarter in-game characters, all in real time. Imagine playing a cricket game where the stadium crowd reacts as intelligently as real fans, or an RPG where the villains learn from your every move. That's the magic of next-gen GPUs. For AI, the story is just as exciting. Modern GPUs have made it possible to train models that were once thought impossible. We're talking about language models that can write poetry, AI that can drive cars, and even algorithms that help doctors spot diseases early. And with the rise of cloud computing, you don't even need to own a high-end GPU anymore. You can rent one online, run your experiments, and scale up as you grow. But hold on, the future is looking even brighter. Companies are racing to build GPUs that are smaller, faster, and more energy efficient. We're seeing the rise of AI superchips designed specifically for machine learning and gaming GPUs that support virtual reality and 8K graphics out of the box. There's even talk of quantum GPUs. Yes, you heard that right. Blending quantum computing with graphics for mind-blowing speed. So, whether you're a gamer dreaming of photorealistic worlds or an AI enthusiast training the next breakthrough model, the GPU is your ticket to the future. The next time you see a new GPU launch, remember, it's not just an upgrade for your PC. It's a glimpse into what's possible tomorrow. And who knows, maybe one day, thanks to these advancements, we'll be playing games designed by AI, or teaching AI to play games better than any human ever could. The possibilities are endless, and it's all powered by that humble, hard-working GPU. Stick around, because in the next chapter, we'll explore some jaw-dropping GPU stories from India and beyond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's ride this tech wave together.